Good morning. I'm gonna attempt to vlog today. I don't know if this video is actually gonna make it to YouTube, but I'm gonna try, because like every time I try to vlog, I don't really know what to vlog, or I just like get uncomfortable with vlogging in public. But I'm gonna try. We'll see how it goes. It's about 8:40 in the morning, and my first class starts at 10. So I think I'm trying to do this thing where I like actually try to eat. Like, I feel like sometimes when I wake up this early, I'm not that hungry, so I don't eat anything. And then as the day progresses, I get more and more hungry. So I'm gonna try to eat something and then get ready for my class, because like around this time of the morning, I would like still be in the bed. Like, I just procrastinate until like I'm really supposed to be out of the house, but I'm like still in the bed. But that was last week. That was first week of school. We're gonna try not to do that this week. So I already pushed snooze on my alarm once. So I was supposed to wake up at 8:30, and I pushed snooze. The funny thing, I'm really going on a rant, but last night, I usually go to bed at like 11:30 midnight. And yesterday I was so tired that I took my shower at like 9:30, and then I went to bed at like 10:45. I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning to go to the bathroom, and I was also very hot. So 6 o'clock in the morning, I went to the bathroom, came back in the bed, went back to sleep. And I don't know, so that means 8:30, went to bed at like 10:45. That's over 9 hours. So I don't understand how I got 9 hours of sleep and I'm still feeling this vibe of I could have more. But I think that's enough talking. So I'm just gonna try to get something to eat. I have about 45 minutes until I'm supposed to be walking out the door. So yeah, you guys get to see my eyes water. So let's just get into it. This is my third one, so kind of a pro at this point. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the library to pick up this book that I reserved. I reserved this book. I never got to finish last semester, and I want to finish it, so we're gonna go pick it up from the library. Funny thing about it, I got a late fee, and the late fee is 25 cents. So I'm gonna try to pay that as well, because I have like 70 cents left from my Diamond Dollars. So I'm just gonna use the 70 cents to pay the late fee. But yeah, I'm really proud of myself for holding my phone up and not like faking like I'm not trying to record. So yeah, let's just go to the library, get this book, and then we're probably gonna have snack time. So should be in C. That is definitely not C, that was G. I don't see my book. My book was not on the shelf, so we're gonna have to talk to the librarian about it. I had a book that said it was on hold, and I don't see it over there.
Okay, let me check your library tab.
Got the book. I didn't get to finish this book, and it was like right before it started, and then I had to return it before I went home, so I never got to finish it. So I just want to get into like reading more, not being on my phone. I really already don't like being on my phone, but just want to be on my phone even less. So right now I packed a whole bunch of snacks, but it looks like it's about to rain or something, so I'm just gonna go back to the same room, the same building that my next class is in, and just hang out there, eat my snacks, finish uploading the YouTube video that I want to post today, and then we'll just go from there. I packed some snacks. Like, I was not playing. Like, one of my goals this semester is to like not spend money outside of the house. So when I go to the grocery store, I'm like packing so that I have snacks throughout the day. So today I have some pretzels. I have some brownies that are super soft, so they're kind of like melting. But I have some granola bars as well. And yeah, the goal is just to not spend money this semester. So what I'm about to do is, oh, by the way, what I'm about to do is upload the thumbnail for this video that I'm going to post today. I don't have internet, and I haven't had internet at my apartment for 30 days. Story time coming soon. But yeah, I don't have internet at my apartment, so it's very difficult to upload videos, film videos. Like, I really have no motivation to film because I know the upload process is just gonna be so annoying. So I'm about to upload this video, eat my snacks, and then just relax until my next class. My next class is at 1 o'clock, and it's African. So yeah, I'm gonna text my manager at my new job, Chipotle, and see if I should come to work. I told her I wanted Wednesdays off, so maybe I should text her and ask if I should come in on Thursday. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm really proud of this thumbnail that I made. I went through like 4 or 5 versions until I was like, okay, we'll just, I'm sorry with the lighting, but I went through like 4 or 5 versions until I was like, okay, this is good. So this is gonna be the thumbnail for my newest video. Y'all probably can't hear me, but I'm in my African class right now, about to put on my lava. This is my last class of the day, so after this, I'm gonna be going home. So I know y'all can't hear me, but just a little upbeat. And I actually didn't end up eating a lot of my snacks. I think it's because I had such a big breakfast. So yeah. So I just made these garlic parmesan wings for the first time, no recipe, just kind of guesstimated. So I'm about to Food Network and we'll see how things go. Wish me luck, kind of scared. I like it, I on a bit, oh yeah. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, but you can't just keep talking about it. Okay, I'm kind of scared, but let's just. It smells good. Okay, goodness. I'm not feeling my hair at all today. Like, I'm not feeling it at all. But like, it is what it is. This is my yoga mat for my Pilates class. And oh, 2-year warranty. Okay. So yeah, this is my yoga mat for Pilates. So on Friday, I'll be bringing this thumbnail. So on Friday, I'm gonna be bringing this to class, and I had a $18 Amazon certificate. So I got this for free, and I got this for free. When I open this next thing, nobody laughed. I just had to get something so I could get to $18. So these were free. These were free. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because the only thing I'm about to do is get in the shower and start relaxing. So yeah. Started in the bed, ended in the bed. Something that I didn't get to talk about was that when I got to my African class, my teacher pulled me to the side and was just like, I'm so happy that you're in person this semester because now I get to see you. And she was just like, I just loved your final last semester. And it's so funny that she was just raving about it because I had to submit my final virtually, and I was just dancing in the basement in a tiny little square. I barely had any space. And she was just like, I loved your determination in class. And it was this one time that I was out of town. I was leaving a funeral, and I told her that I was just gonna be on Zoom with my camera off, but I'm still paying attention. And she was just like, I just love how determined you are. And that was just a really happy moment. That was the highlight of my day. But overall today was really good. I think it was so good because I got a lot of sleep. I got almost 10 hours of sleep last night, and I ate a really big breakfast. So yeah, this is my third or fourth vlog. I don't really vlog that often, but because I don't know, but vlogs are kind of easy to edit, so I do like that. But let me know if this is something that you would want to see again from me, because I like to hear you guys' feedback. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.